Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing great. We are going to start our today's lesson. And today we are going to watch an interesting story. Okay. The story name is Ratty Robs a Bank. Okay. Ratty actually rats का ग्रुप है and robs का मतलब चोरी करना, डकैती करना. A बैंक को लूटते हैं. Rats मिलके ना बैंक को लूटते हैं. Okay. So we are going to watch this interesting story today. But before that, as you know, we are going to learn words, how to pronounce and their meaning with the help of pictures. I just want to see students, कौन से नहीं आए आज, who are missing. Abdullah and Mariam missing. My screen is stuck so that I can't see. Yes. Okay. So who are missing today? Who are absent, kids? Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we are going to start. I will play the audio of the words and you pronounce out loud with me, okay?
Rat,
Rat.
rat,
Abdul Rahman and Mariam pronounce out loud. Haris and everyone.
rat,
Rat.
rat,
Rat.
pen,
Pan.
pen,
Pan.
safe,
Safe.
safe,
Safe.
banknote,
Banknote.
banknote,
Abdul Rahman and Mariam. Aisha. Pronounce. Don't play.
banknote,
Banknote.
banknote,
Banknote.
money,
Money.
money,
Money.
bank,
Bank.
bank,
Bank.
rob,
Robe.
rob,
Robe.
cheese,
Cheese.
cheese,
Cheese.
coins,
Coins.
coins,
Coins.
run,
Run. Okay. Hope you all pronounce all these words. Now we are going to start to match these words with the pictures. The first name, Asharab. Asharab, look at this picture and tell me, what's this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, look at this picture and tell me, what's this?
Sir, a rat, a rat.
It's rat. Well,
Rat.
it's rat.
Yes, sir.
No, don't
It's
say
rat.
yes. It's rat.
It's rat.
3 times. It's rat.
It's rat.
Asharab,
It's
this is not a
rat.
rat. मेरे mouth पे देखो, mouth पे देखो. Everyone look at my mouth. ये rat नहीं है, rat नहीं है. मुंह को थोड़ा सा गोल करना है. Rat. Rat.
Rat.
Perfect.
Rat.
Okay. Rat, a small animal with a long tail, okay? Rat जो होता है, is a small animal with a long tail. एक long tail होती है
सर
उसके
हमारे
पीछे.
घर में कुत्ते बहुत जाते हैं.
Okay. Asharab, I want to ask some question about rat, but not now.
Yes.
Not now, later. I will take you later, okay? Thank you for telling me. Okay. Now the next name is Abdul Rahman and Aisha. Unmute. Abdul Rahman and Aisha, I can't see you. Adjust your screen so that I can see you. अपनी स्क्रीन को ठीक से रखो ताकि मैं आप लोगों को देख सकूं.
सर अभी सही है.
That is good. Very good. Okay. Where's Aisha? Aisha को पहले देख लें दो. Aisha, look at this picture and tell me what's this. ये क्या है बेटा? Look at this. क्या है ये?
Bank.
Very good. It's a bank. Bank. Pronounce.
Bank.
Bank.
Very good. Abdul Rahman, look at this picture and tell me what's this?
Coins.
Wow. Yes, it's coins.
Coins.
Coins. I will ask some question about these pictures later, not now. Okay. First, we have to complete matching. The next name is Haris. Haris, look at this picture and tell me what's this? We have words.
Pen.
Pen,
Bird.
save, banknote, money, robe, cheese, run.
Run.
Tell me what's this?
Rod.
What?
Rod.
No. Okay, tell me what's this? Haris, tell me what's this?
Cheese.
Cheese. Well done, boy.
Cheese.
Good job. Thank you. Now the next name is Arfa. Arfa, look at this image and tell me what's this?
सर ये है फ्रिज.
No. We haven't fridge word in this list, okay? इस list में हमारे पास fridge है ही नहीं. We have pen, safe,
Safe.
banknote,
Bank.
money, robe,
Rob.
and run. So what's this?
Banknote.
No. Tell me what's this?
Save.
Yes, it's a safe. जिसके अंदर नोट होते हैं, बैंक में जो सेफ होती है ना,
Safe.
उसके अंदर नोट रखे हुए होते हैं. दिस इज एक्चुअली सेफ. ओके.
सर आपकी अम्मी अब ठीक हो गई है.
Yes, she's okay now. Thank you for praying. Okay, I will ask some question about this, okay, later. Now, Master Ahil. Ahil, look at this image and tell me what's this.
Sir, look, I sent you so many poop and dogs.
Look at this image and tell what's this.
Rob.
Yes, he's a robber. He's robbing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pen.
Okay, thank you, Ahil. I will ask some question about it later. First, we have to complete matching. Now, Ilaf and Yashfa. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Where's the Yashfa? Where's the Yashfa?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, Yashfa, beta. Look at this picture and tell me what's this.
Money.
It's money or banknote, right?
Banknote.
Yes, it's a banknote. And it's money. Okay, thank you. Now, Ilaf, look at this image and tell me what's this.
Pen.
Pen. Okay. Good job. Okay, thank you. And Yashfa, look at this and tell me what's this.
Money.
This is money, okay? जिसमें coins भी हैं और notes भी हैं. ये सिर्फ coins हैं, तो हम इसको कहेंगे coins, okay?
Coins.
Coins, yeah.
Coins.
Coins.
Okay, now Ilaf, you tell what's this.
Ilaf, running.
Running. Well done.
Run.
Okay,
Run.
well done. Okay, now we are going to talk about these words, okay? अब हमने words को pronounce करना भी सीख लिया और उनके meaning भी सीख लिए कि क्या होते हैं. Now we are going to talk about, okay? So first I will take, yes, I will take Asharab. Asharab, unmute. Yes, Asharab, are you there? Asharab. Asharab, tell
Yes, sir.
what's this? Asharab, beta, what's this? I'm sorry, I can't listen you. Okay, next I will take Ahil. Ahil. Okay, Ahil, beta, look at this image and tell me what's this?
What?
This one.
Baliji.
What's
What?
this? What's this?
Rat. Rat.
Okay, tell me, have you ever seen a rat?
Yes.
Where?
When I was going to my chachu's house one time, so I was going and I
Can you
saw
please
rat.
can you please speak out loud? Don't move, come closer to the mic.
Okay.
Now speak.
Look, when I went to my chachu's house, I was going and I saw a rat running.
Okay. The next question about the rat. Is a rat bigger than a cat?
No, cat is bigger than a rat.
Okay. And rat is smaller than cat?
Yeah,
Okay, well done. And where do rats usually live?
they live outside at the streets.
Sorry, speak out loud. Where do they live?
They live outside at the street.
They live outside.
Yeah, the street.
Outside where? Outside of house?
Yep.
Okay. In the streets, in the holes, fields, buildings, where do they live?
In the streets.
In the streets?
Yep.
ओके आयल कह रहा है जी जो रैट्स है ना वो स्ट्रीट्स में गलियों में रहते हैं ओके बाकी बच्चों से भी पूछेंगे कि वो क्या कहते हैं कि वो कहाँ रहते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन आयल अबाउट रैट्स डू यू लाइक रैट्स
Yep. I like to see. I don't like to touch.
यू लाइक एवरीथिंग
Yeah, I like the whole world.
ओके
But
Okay.
not poop.
Okay, one more question for you. What color can a rat be?
It can be gray.
Gray and can be brown and white?
No.
After the
It can
session,
be
you will have to research on the internet and you will find some pictures of white rats and brown rats and you will share into the group, okay?
Yeah, but I can see that there is white rats.
Because I think there can be gray, brown, and white rats.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Ahil. You answered many questions about rats, and we now know a lot of things about rats. अब रैट के बारे में आहिल ने हमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर बताए हैं अब हम बहुत सारी चीजें जानते हैं रैट्स के बारे में द नेक्स्ट नेम इज अब्दुल रहमान एंड आयशा अब्दुल रहमान एंड आयशा
Yes.
Abdul Rahman, no, Aisha. Aisha, look at this image and tell what's this.
Yes, sir.
Aisha,
Pen. Pen.
It's a pen. Okay, tell me, Aisha, do you use pen at school? क्या स्कूल में पेन यूज करती हो? Do you use pen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And what color is your pen? आपका पेन का कौन सा कलर है?
Black. Black.
Pink?
Black.
Black. तो आपने कहना है My pen is black. Say.
Wait. My pen is
My pen is black.
My pen is black.
Well done. Next question, Aisha. कैन यू राइट योर नेम विद द पेन? क्या आप अपना नाम लिख सकती हो अपने पेन के साथ?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, I can. Repeat.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Well done. Thank you very much, Aisha beta. You did great job. Clapping for you. Okay. Now, Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, look at this image and tell me what's this?
Safe.
Save. So tell me about save. What is save? What does it mean? How we use it? क्या होती है save?
Safe. Safe locker होता है.
Can you please speak out loud? क्या होता है?
एक ऐसे लॉकर होता है जो बैंक का मनी होता है या करेंसी ये उसमें छुपा होता है.
Okay, you mean a safe is a strong box. एक strong box होता है where we put money and important things, right?
Yes.
Well done. So I have some question about safe. Everyone listen these question carefully, okay? आप सब ने जब आपके साथ बात हो रही हो सिर्फ उस वक्त नहीं सुनना, जब बाकी बच्चों के साथ बात हो रही हो ना फिर भी गौर से सुनना है क्योंकि सारी इंफॉर्मेशन लर्न करनी है, सारी इंफॉर्मेशन. Okay, now Abdul Rahman, tell me, what can we keep in a safe? Tell. हम सेफ के अंदर क्या चीजें रख सकते हैं? What can we keep in the safe?
Coins and money.
We can keep money
Strip money and coins
in safe.
and safe.
Okay, next question. Is a safe strong?
Is safe strong?
No, I'm asking question. मैं आपसे सवाल कर रहा हूं, आपने जवाब देना है. क्वेश्चन है, is a safe strong? क्या सेफ स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है, मजबूत होती है, स्ट्रॉन्ग?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Next question. Do you have a safe at home? क्या आपके घर में सेफ है? Do you have a safe?
Yes. No.
No, we don't.
No, we don't.
Okay. Last question. Abdul Rahman beta, about safe. Last question. Can a safe keep things secure? क्या जो सेफ होती है चीजों को महफूज रखती है?
Yes.
Yes, it can.
Yes, it can.
Well done. Great job. अभी तो हम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो भी देखेंगे जिसमें रैट्स हमला करेंगे बैंक के ऊपर एंड रॉब करेंगे, सारे पैसे चुरा लेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू वॉच दैट स्टोरी. यस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट नेम इज अरफा. अरफा, अनम्यूट.
Yes, sir.
ओके, टेल मी व्हाट्स दिस.
Um, banknote.
Yes, it's a note. Well done. Okay. So tell, have you ever seen a banknote?
चलो क्या बोल रहे हो तुम्हें बताएं.
Yes, have you ever seen? कभी आपने देखा है banknote?
Yes, sir. देखा है हमारे पास जो पैसे होते हैं.
Very good.
पैसे होते हैं.
Yes, you are right. Next question, Alphabeta. Do we buy things with notes? क्या हम बैंक नोट्स के जरिए चीजें खरीद सकते हैं? Can we buy things?
No, हम चीजें नहीं खरीद सकते.
जब हम पैसे नोट्स लेके जाते हैं तो उससे हम चीजें नहीं बाय कर सकते.
ले सकते हैं सर.
So you can say we can buy.
We can buy
We can
and
buy things. We can buy things.
सर
Okay.
आपकी बेटी किस क्लास में है?
वो स्कूल नहीं जाती, वो घर में होती है, मेरे पास पढ़ती है.
अच्छा.
यस. ओके, तो हम क्लासेस नहीं पढ़ते, हम बस जो दिल में आता है वो पढ़ते हैं. इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें पढ़ते हैं हम. ओके, अरफा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर डू पीपल कीप बैंक नोट्स? लोग अपने नोट्स कहां रखते हैं? आपके बाबा कहां रखते हैं नोट्स अपने?
सिर्फ वो अपने नोट्स ना अपनी जेब में अपनी पॉकेट में रखते हैं।
ओके, पॉकेट के अंदर एक होता है वॉलेट्स। वॉलेट्स होते हैं और उसके अंदर, या पर्सेस, पर्स होता है बाज लोगों के पास, तो उसके अंदर नोट्स होते हैं, राइट?
सर आप कभी मेरे फादर से मिले हैं?
मेरे ख्याल में मैं मिला हुआ हूं, मतलब मैं सबसे मिला हुआ हूं। अब मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं आ रहा कि आपके बाबा कौन से वाले हैं।
मेरे
ये
बाबा ना
नाम, नेम्स नहीं
मोटू,
आते। मैं
और
मिला हुआ
उनका
हूं
नाम
सबसे।
साजिद जपैया।
लिसन अरफा, मुझे ना नेम्स नहीं आते। मुअज्जम भाई का नाम आता है, बाकियों के नेम्स नहीं आते। बाकी मैं सबसे मिला हुआ हूं।
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि मेरे
ओके,
कितने
आप मुझे पिक्चर सेंड कर देंगे ना, मुझे पता चल जाएगा आफ्टर क्लास। ओके।
का नाम है मोजम, और एक का नाम है अरसान, और एक का नाम है
ओके,
आबिद।
यू आई नो द नेम्स बट आई डोंट नो कि इसका नाम ये है। ओके, सिर्फ मौजम का नाम आता है, आई थिंक। आपके बाबा का नाम क्या है?
साजिद,
साजिद।
साजिद इकबाल जित,
ओके।
साजिद नाम है, और पूरा नाम है साजिद इकबाल जितोई।
ओके, after the class you will send me picture, I will see. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, who's the next? Yes, Asharab, unmute.
यस सर।
Okay, Asharab, uh, look at this and tell me what's this.
Money.
मनी।
It's money. Tell me, Asharab, what can you buy with money? What can you buy with money? मनी के साथ आप क्या खरीद सकते हो? What can you buy with money? Anything
यस।
like toys, food, books, and what can, and clothes, shoes.
यस। यस।
Tell me, what can you buy? Tell me.
सर शूज ले सकता हूँ, और टी शर्ट्स पैंट्स, और सर बस यही ले सकता हूँ।
Okay, next question. Do you save money? जो आपको पॉकेट मनी मिलती है, do you save in your money box?
हाँ जी।
Do you save your money in the money box?
यस।
How much? कितनी सेव की थी मनी बॉक्स के अंदर?
1000 रुपया किया हुआ है।
Okay. Next question. Who earns money in your family? आपकी फैमिली में से कौन कमाने वाला है? Who earns money? Dad earns money, mom earns money, sisters or someone else? Who earns money?
डैड।
Dad earns
डैड।
money. Okay, okay. Last question, Asharab, about money. Is money important or not important?
इम्पोर्टेंट।
It's important. Can money buy ice cream? Can you buy ice cream with money?
यस।
Okay, well done. Next name is Ilaf. Haris. Haris. Yes, Haris. Look at this image
Yes,
and
sir.
tell what's this?
बैंक।
Bank.
Bank. Tell me, क्या होती है बैंक? What's bank?
बैंक में पैसे होते हैं।
You mean a place where people keep money, जहां लोग जाके पैसे रखते हैं?
नहीं, पैसे निकालते हैं।
ओके, पैसे निकालते हैं। ओके, पैसे रखेंगे तो निकालेंगे ना बच्चे। ओके, tell me, have you ever visited a bank? Haris beta, have you ever visited? कभी बैंक को विजिट किया है? Have you ever visited bank?
Yes.
Yes. किसके साथ गए थे? With whom you visited? I can't listen you, Haris. Are you speaking? Haris beta, I can't listen you. Are you speaking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I ask कि आपने किसके साथ विजिट? Yes, Haris, you were speaking. आपने किसके साथ की विजिट किया हुआ है बैंक? हारिस.
मैं सर बहुत चक्कर विजिट किया है। मैं अपने हाथों से पैसे निकाले बैंक से।
ATM से, राइट?
यस।
किसके साथ जाते हो बैंक? बाबा के साथ?
पापा।
बाबा के साथ जाते हो, भाई के साथ जाते हो? हारिस बेटा,
यस।
बाबा के
बाबा
साथ?
बाबा।
ओके.
यस सर।
ओके, ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच, हारिस. Okay, you answered all question nicely. Now Ilaf and Yashfa. Ilaf and Yashfa.
Yes sir.
Okay, beta, tell me. Tell me, who is it? Who is this?
Frog.
Rab.
Frog. Frog. Frog.
Rob.
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 Rob. Rob कौन होता है?
चोर।
हाँ, वो जो डकैती मारने वाला होता है ना, जो पैसे छीनने वाला होता है,
Frog.
उसको रोबर कहते हैं. तो ये चोरी करके जा रहा है. ओके, राइट?
Yes.
Okay, I want to ask a question about this. Tell me, is it a good to rob people? क्या लोगों की चीजें छीनना जो है वो ठीक है? Is it good?
No.
Not good?
No.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, should we take things without asking? क्या हमें बगैर पूछे चीजें ले लेनी चाहिए दो लोगों से?
No.
No. Well done. ये आपके बैकग्राउंड में शोर है.
अब्बाजी सर कहते हैं आपके बैकग्राउंड में शोर।
Okay, I will take you later. इलाफ बेटा, आपको मैं बाद में ले लेता हूं दोबारा. Okay. Okay, kids. Now we are going to watch the story. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. फिर हम इस स्टोरी के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. Let's start.
This is Ratty. He is the worst rat in the world. He is with his friends Cheese and Miss Whiskers. They are planning to rob the Bank of Britain.
Okay, rat. We're at the bank. Let's go.
It's the end of the day. The cashier is counting the money.
Please, nobody move. Okay, rat. Let's see what's in the safe.
Perhaps you'll find some cheese.
There's no cheese, but there's lots of money. You get the note, and I'll get the coins. Okay, rat. Let's go. Run.
The chief of police is at the bank. He knows there is only one person who can help.
Hello, Bycat.
Bycat has arrived. First, he points his magic pen at the cashier.
I can move again.
Next, Bycat looks for clues. He finds a piece of cheese inside the safe. Who eats cheese in a bank? Finally, Bycat finds a banknote. Now I know who robbed this bank.
100, 200, 300. Oh no, it's Bycat.
The fun stops here, Rat. You're under arrest.
Water. Okay, how was the story? Tell me with the react button. Give it heart. If you like the story, give it heart. Okay, I can see heart by Ahil, Ilaf, Haris, and Asharab. Okay. Now kids, we are going to watch again. अब हम दोबारा watch करने लगे हैं. And उसको मैं pause करके stop करके आपसे कुछ questions करूंगा. Okay, about the story. And you are going to answer it. Okay, kids? Let's watch again.
This is Ratty. He is the worst rat in the world.
Okay. This is Ratty. He is the worst rat in the world. Okay? ये Ratty हैं सारे के सारे तीनों. Right? And this is Ratty. Okay? He is the worst rat in the world. Worst कहते हैं बदतरीन बुरा. Okay? This is Ratty. He is the worst rat in the world. Okay, the question is, who was the worst rat in the world? I just want to ask question Abdul Rahman and Aisha. Abdul Rahman and Aisha, unmute and tell me who is the worst rat in the world?
सर क्या?
आप नहीं सुन रहे थे, आप कहीं गए हुए थे. This is not good, Abdul Rahman and Aisha. अभी मैं आपको म्यूट कर रहा हूं, आप गौर से सुने. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे करूंगा. Now I can take Asharab. Asharab, unmute and tell who
Yes, sir.
was the worst rat in the world.
सर फ्रेंड्स थे तीनों.
You did not understand the question. आपको question समझ नहीं आया. Listen it carefully. Now I ask Ahil. Ahil, unmute and tell who was the worst rat in the world.
Sir Duncan.
What?
Sir one sec. Sir.
Yes, tell.
I'm saying after this, like.
I will take you later. You are not giving me answer, Ahil. Unmute and tell who was the worst rat in the world.
This bald guy.
I told you the name, Ratty. Rat is the
Yeah,
word.
this is Ratty. This
Yeah.
is Ratty.
This is Ratty. Look, this is Ratty. ये जो सेंटर में है ना, this is Ratty and he is the worst. Worst का मतलब बुरा. दुनिया में बुरा तरीन rat था ये.
But
Okay. Okay, next listen. आगे सुनते हैं और फिर मैं आप सबसे क्वेश्चन करूंगा. Okay.
He's with his friends, Cheese and Miss Whiskers.
उसके साथ दो उसके दोस्त थे, ये देखो ये, ही हैज टू फ्रेंड्स, एक का नाम था चीज और एक का नाम था विस्कर्स। ओके, हु विल टेल मी कि उसके फ्रेंड्स का नाम क्या था? व्हाट नेम्स ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स? व्हाट आर द नेम्स ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स? हु विल टेल? आई वांट टू आस्क अरफा। अरफा, टेल, व्हाट आर हिज फ्रेंड्स नेम?
एक का नाम था चीज
ओके,
और दूसरे का नाम
विस्कर्स।
और एक का नाम चीज था और दूसरे का नाम
Whisker,
विक्सर था।
whiskers, yes.
विक्सर्स।
Thank you. Okay, listen.
They are planning to rob the Bank of Britain.
They three of them, वो जो तीनों थे ना, they are planning to rob the Bank of Britain. ब्रिटेन बैंक को वो लूटने का प्लान कर रहे थे। Okay. The question is, who was, yes, what were they planning? What were they planning? Haris, tell me, what were they planning?
यस
What were they planning? क्या प्लान कर रहे थे? What were they planning?
सर उर्दू में पढ़ाए, उर्दू में बताएं।
वो क्या प्लान कर रहे थे बेटा? I told you in Urdu.
वो सर कर रहे थे, वो जहाँ से बैंक का सुराग था वहाँ एक ढक्कन है, उसके नीचे से हम
Okay.
गुजर के
They
बैंक के
were
अंदर।
planning to rob, right?
यस
वो चोरी को प्लान कर रहे थे कि चोरी करनी है। Thank you. Okay, listen.
Okay, Rat. We're at the back. Let's go.
He's saying, okay, guys, we are at the bank. Let's go. Okay. So tell me, where are they now? Where are they now? कहाँ हैं आप? वो इस वक्त कहाँ हैं? Yes, Abdul Rahman, tell. Where are they now?
वो अब सुराख में, वो अब लोगों को बोल रहा है आप लोग हम अब बैंक में जाएंगे।
Yes, you are right. They are in the bank right now. Okay. इस सुराख से वो इस होल से
यस
बैंक के अंदर दाखिल हो जाएंगे। Okay.
यस
Aisha, you tell me how many rats are they? कितने rats हैं ये? How many rats are they? Aisha beta, how many rats are they? They are three?
थ्री
Okay. Okay.
यस
Okay, thank you. Now listen.
It's the end of the day. The cashier is counting the money.
Freeze. Nobody move. Okay, Rat. Let's see what's in the safe.
Okay, Ratty कहता है let's see what's in the safe. Safe में क्या है? Okay, who want to guess what will be in the safe? कौन guess कर सकता है कि safe में क्या होगा? Who will guess? I want to ask from Ilaf. Ilaf, unmute and tell what will be in, जब वो safe को खोलेंगे, when they will open the safe, what will be in the safe? क्या होगा safe के अंदर?
सर उसके अंदर मनी होगी।
There will
Money
be
and
money.
coin.
Okay, repeat. There will be money.
There will be
Yeah, there will be money in the safe. Okay, I can't listen you. I think you have internet issue. Okay. Now listen.
Perhaps we'll find some cheese.
There's no tea, but there's lots of money. You get the note, and I'll get the coins.
There are two types of money, coins and notes. Coins and notes. Who will tell me what type of money is in the safe? Who will tell? Okay, Ayel, you tell. What type of money in the safe?
Like there's notes, coins, and stuff like that.
There are notes and coins.
Yeah, stuff like that.
Do you have
Notes.
coins? Do you have coins?
Yep,
How many?
so many.
Okay, send me picture after the class. Okay, I want to see your coins.
No, I can't send
Why?
because I don't know where they are.
Because you don't?
Know where they are.
Okay. Okay, kids, listen now.
Okay, rat. Let's go. Run.
The chief of police is at the bank. He knows there is only one person who can help.
Hello, Bycat.
Bycat has arrived.
Spy cat mean ऐसी cat जो ना चोरों को ढूंढ लेती है. Okay. तो tell me who helped police to find rats? Who helped? कौन मदद करता है पुलिस की rats को ढूंढने में? Arfa, tell me. Who helped police to find rats?
सर तुम्हें बताएं?
Yeah, who helped? मतलब कौन मदद करता है पुलिस की rats को पकड़ने में? Who helped?
चोरों को?
Yes, चोरों को.
ह्यूमन बीइंग मतलब इंसान.
ह्यूमन बीइंग. इस स्टोरी में कौन करता है? ये देखो, इस स्टोरी में कौन हेल्प कर रहा है?
बिल्ली.
या स्पाई कैट. ओके, स्पाई कैट इज हेल्पिंग पुलिस. ओके,
Yes.
you are right. Okay, next watch.
Bert points his magic pen at the cashier.
I can move again.
Next, Bycat looks for clues. He finds a piece of cheese inside the safe. Who eats cheese in a bank? Finally, Bycat finds a banknote. Now I know who robbed this bank.
जब वो नोट उठाती है ना, तो नोट के ऊपर ये देखो पाँव के निशान होते हैं. देखो, तो वो कहती है अब मैं ढूंढ लूंगी ये किसने चोरी किया है.
100, 2,
the robbers are counting the money. ये देखो, बैंक से ये मनी चुरा के ना यहाँ काउंट कर रहे हैं कि हमने बहुत सारी मनी जो है वो देखो चुरा ली है. अब यहाँ स्पाई कैट आ जाएगी इनको पकड़ने.
100, 300. Oh no, it's Bycat.
स्पाई कैट उनको फ्रीज कर देती है अपनी पावर से ताकि वो भाग ना सके.
The fun stops here, Rat. You're under arrest.
यू आर अंडर अरेस्ट मतलब तुम पकड़े गए हो, अब तुम भाग नहीं सकते. यू आर अंडर अरेस्ट. दिस वॉज द स्टोरी. ओके, I just want to ask some question about the story. Who want to answer?